Hey y'all, during my last video, which is uploading right now, I kept hearing a loud noise and I couldn't figure out what it was. I thought it maybe some hot rod or something with the loud muffler. After I got through recording, I looked outside and we're having one heck of a thunderstorm. I guess the thundering part is over, but can you see the wind blowing? Look at those trees back there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little. It's pouring down rain here, y'all. Look at those trees over there. I am living in tornado country, you know. Y'all pray there ain't no tornado coming. This is crazy. We needed the rain, thank God for the rain, but man, this kind of wind is kind of scary. I'm standing on my back porch, which is covered. I'm not getting wet. Can you hear the wind? This is crazy, y'all. Alright, I'll let you go. I gotta get that snack cooked up that I told y'all I'd do a video on, so you're getting a bunch of videos today, but that's alright. I have fun doing them, and maybe somebody out there will have fun watching them. God bless you, my dear friends. This is my backyard. I was going to mow the grass tomorrow, but I reckon I won't be doing that now. I got puddles all over the place. Talk to y'all later, friends.